2 years ago, I adopted a cat from an animal shelter who was diagnosed with feline leukemia at the time of adoption. 6 months later, he miraculously self-healed. This made me curious about what healed him. Do animals have the ability to self-heal, and do humans have the same ability? First, let me give you an example. There is a type of amphibian called salamanders that have very strong self-healing abilities. Whether it's their front and back legs, their tails, or even if a small part of their brain is removed, they can grow them back on their own. There are also a few other animals, such as earthworms, that have very strong self-healing abilities. However, for the vast majority of us, our self-healing abilities are weak. Crabs also have some regenerative ability, but not to the extent of some animals, such as lizards, that can completely regenerate lost body parts. The regenerative ability of crabs is mainly manifested in their ability to repair some minor injuries on their own, such as lost toes, claws, etc. These parts usually regenerate within a few weeks to several months. In addition, crabs can also protect themselves when significant damage occurs by shedding the damaged part, a phenomenon known as autotomy. It should be noted that crabs cannot regenerate body segments like some insects or similar animals. If a significant part of the crab's body is severely damaged or lost, it usually cannot regenerate a complete body part. As you can see, many animals have natural abilities to heal themselves. They have evolved various mechanisms to protect themselves against diseases and injuries. For instance, some animals have thick fur, scales, or tough skin to protect themselves from physical harm. Others have a robust immune system that can quickly detect and eliminate harmful pathogens. Overall, animal self-healing is an incredible natural phenomenon that has been studied and admired by scientists and researchers for many years. By understanding how animals can heal themselves, we can learn more about the complex biological processes involved in this phenomenon and use this knowledge to improve human healthcare. For humans, different organs and tissues have different healing rates. Liver tissue and skin can regenerate or heal quickly, while the central nervous system faces significant obstacles. Comparing the repair processes of the skin and central nervous system shows that skin healing is faster. Several stages can be observed in skin healing. The first process is blood clotting to stop bleeding. Next, a large number of destructive macrophages gather at the wound site to clear away bacteria and prevent infection. In the third step, macrophages exit the wound, and fibroblasts begin to form scars. This process is called scab formation. Finally, skin tissue differentiation occurs to restore the tissue. However, the most difficult part should be the regeneration of the nervous system, especially the central nervous system, such as repairing spinal cord injuries, which is very difficult. This process is similar or dissimilar to skin repair, and the normal process also undergoes wound inflammation, repair and proliferation, and remodeling. However, the problem lies in the fact that the destructive macrophages in the second stage are likely to remain at the wound site for a long time, and a large number of inflammatory factors recruited by the killing process make the environment very unfavorable for nerve cell proliferation, so the process cannot be further pushed forward. It has been unable to heal for a long time. Therefore, for higher vertebrates to acquire self-healing abilities, the nervous system may be a barrier designed by nature. Although the regeneration of the nervous system is very difficult, scientists are still working hard to study this issue. Some studies have shown that neurons can regenerate under certain conditions, such as in the peripheral nervous system where neurons can regenerate after being cut off. In addition, researchers are also exploring how to change the neural environment to promote neuron regeneration. Although a perfect solution has not yet been found, we still have reason to believe that through continuous research and effort, we can find an effective method to promote nervous system regeneration. Harald zur Hausen, winner of the 2008 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine, discovered that self-healing is a phenomenon that maintains the survival of an individual in the face of external invasion or internal variation. It has significant characteristics such as spontaneity, non-dependency, and sustained action. The self-healing process is based on the internal self-healing system of an individual, which uses the power of self-healing to eliminate external or internal harm to the human body or other living organisms, repair damage already caused, and achieve the continuation of life.
Both humans and animals have the ability to self-heal, but its magnitude and effectiveness may vary due to several factors. Some determining factors include age. Young animals and infants have a higher quality and quantity of stem cells, which can quickly differentiate and replace damaged cells. Health condition. Healthy animals and humans have a stronger self-healing ability. For instance, people with chronic illnesses or immune system deficiencies may have a harder time healing wounds quickly compared to healthy individuals.
Location and size of the injury. The location and size of the injury can influence the self-healing ability. External environment. The environment surrounding the injury can affect the self-healing ability. For instance, if the injury is infected, it may result in weakened self-healing ability. Therefore, the magnitude and effectiveness of self-healing ability may vary due to several factors. Although humans cannot regenerate lost tissues like some animals, good self-care and a healthy lifestyle can help us maximize our self-healing ability.